This is going to be so awesome. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I am so excited about this. And we've had like complications with the mailman lately, and this was actually supposed to be delivered Saturday, and today's Wednesday. I don't know what happened, but I've been dying to get my hands on this. As you can see what it says already, it's a video projector. So I'm gonna be doing a little unboxing of this. We're gonna be testing it out. Don't mind my birds. And we're going to be reviewing this product. Ah! I'm so excited. I've always wanted one of these, and I finally got one. Okay, so this is what the outer box looks like. And it comes in this little carry case, which is really nice. It's black or gray. Oh, you could use that for a few different things. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ah! Okay. Let's see over here. We've got some papers, just a quick start and a user manual. And oh, this case is really nice for travel. Ah. Okay. So we got a frequently asked questions here. And then this is the projector itself. So this is what it looks like. I've never had one of these, so I don't know anything about it, but oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, so it comes with this, obviously, and then it's got all of your wires and plugs here, and then it also comes with a remote. So this is the remote, which is really cool. So yeah, this is just a little unboxing, but we're going to be trying this out later. We have a few errands to run really quick. But yeah, we're gonna be testing this out, and I can't wait to see how it works. Alright, so it only took a few seconds to figure out, and I have it just sitting on my bed right now, which is why it's lopsided. And then we're going to set it somewhere secure on a flat surface so that it will show better. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, this is what it's looking like. How amazing is this? I'm laying in my bed right now, and this is on my wall, and it looks awesome. So right now I'm streaming from Netflix, and there are several ways you can do this. You can do it from your phone on the Screencast. You can do it from your laptop. What else did you say you could do it with?
DVD player.
DVD player.
Any memory video card, any memory cards that have video footage on them, you can use it with.
This is crazy awesome. And these are available on Amazon, and they are super, super affordable. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I am loving this. So we're gonna go ahead and finish setting this up to perfection, and then we're gonna watch a movie. So yeah. I'm watching my own self on my own wall, cleaning my own apartment on this projector. This is so cool. Maybe I need to keep watching and get some motivation because I haven't cleaned my room yet. Okay, so I easily just connected my phone to the Screencast, which is connected to my projector, which is awesome. So I'm just showing you my phone here, and I'm showing you how it's scrolling up there. So yeah, we've got it connected here. Let's see what we can watch. So yeah, we are going to be watching Christmas with the Cranks. And this is what the screen looks like. Looks like I'm just looking at my phone. Super clear, looks really good. And I'm gonna push play. So yeah, I'm just showing you like a close-up of it on my wall so you guys can see. So yeah, we've got it planned, got the Screencast going, and this is what it looks like. So cool. Okay, so I cut the light on so we could get back to talking about this projector quick, and there is my cat. So I just have it sitting on my bed right now because, you know, this was our first time trying it out, so we were just playing around with it to see what it would work like. We're just chilling watching this little movie. But This thing is really cool. It's got a lot of features. You've got your off and on button here. There's a back button, some other controls to navigate like the settings and all that, the menu, and then the source button. So that helps you to connect to whatever you're going to connect your projector to. But yeah, so this is lightweight. It's pretty cool, black and white. This is the brand name. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can check it out. It's got some pretty good reviews. So here's like the little lens part, and then it's got your focus and all that, and then it's got this other option where you can tilt the screen however you want. Yeah, this thing is pretty neat, and we're really enjoying it right now. But it's pretty cool, and yeah, I love it. And again, I just wanted to show you guys the cute little carrying case it comes in, which is really cool in case you want to travel with it. Yeah, it's really nice. And you got your little pocket here to store stuff. Little separator here to put all your wires. It comes with all the plugs you need. All that good stuff. Pretty awesome little setup. Yeah, so here is the screen. I don't know if I showed this earlier, but you got your setup over here, your settings. You can connect to YouTube. There's your source where you can connect to HDMI and all that, or Screencast from your phone, which is really cool. You don't really need anything. You can just Screencast from your phone as long as you hook it up to your Wi-Fi. You're good to go. It's easy peasy. And then you also got your media over there, and not sure what that is, but you got that too, Koala TV. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are looking for a projector so you can have your movies and whatnot, or my YouTube videos up on your wall, this would be a great projector for you. Would recommend getting some type of Bluetooth speaker or something, or whatever, if you want like boom, boom, boom sound. But yeah, this thing's really cool, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Oh my god, I just realized I'm wearing the same shirt that I've been wearing in every video for the last week. God bless me. Whatever. Okay, bye!